Hi, my name is Rose, and I'm the Children's Specialist with Highland Park Library. In this video, we'll go over family distance learning, early learning kits, and how to use the kits with families. St. Paul Public Library and St. Paul Public Schools are partnering to provide support for students and families participating in distance learning. Families with students in pre-K who are participating in distance learning can schedule 45-minute appointments at these 3 library locations: George Latimer Central Library, Riverview Library, and Rondo Community Library. These appointments will be one-to-one with a library staff member to get support for their academic, technology, and literacy needs. Anyone participating in an appointment will receive an early learning kit to take home and keep. These kits are great. They contain all kinds of neat materials to support kids, from books to headphones to dry erase boards and markers. These early learning kits will be available as supplies last. Well, here are some ways that you can use these early learning kits with families at your appointment. Let your student choose a book, then demonstrate how to use a reading tracker. Isolate sentences with a clear window in the reading tracker. This allows students to track the words across the page and really focus on the words. Practice addition with addition wipe and write boards. This is great to use and reuse to work on addition. Show families and students how to use the St. Paul Public Library Student Assignment Book. Keep track of assignments, meetings, and other activities, all in one place. Thank you for supporting family distance learning at St. Paul Public Library.